Every day, the world generates an overwhelming stream of information. Earthquakes, wildfires, storms, flight disruptions, maritime activity, breaking news, economic signals, emerging crises. The problem is not access to information anymore. The problem is understanding it. Sentinel is the real-time intelligence and situational awareness module integrated into Presence. Built around live open-source intelligence streams, Sentinel continuously monitors the world through a dynamic geospatial interface that evolves in real time as new information emerges. Earthquakes, floods, wildfires, tornadoes, extreme weather events, maritime traffic, aircraft activity, economic indicators, breaking news, geopolitical tensions. Everything appears directly on the map. Every event becomes part of a continuously evolving operational picture. Sentinel aggregates data from multiple open public sources worldwide and transforms them into a unified live intelligence environment. Instead of forcing users to navigate dozens of disconnected websites, feeds, dashboards, and monitoring systems, Sentinel centralizes everything into a single continuously updating interface where events are geolocated, categorized, filtered, and analyzed in context. Each event is represented directly on the world map through dynamic visual indicators, allowing users to instantly understand where activity is happening and how situations evolve over time. The system updates continuously as new information becomes available. Sentinel can integrate a wide variety of open intelligence sources, including earthquake monitoring networks, natural disaster agencies, flood and wildfire alerts, severe weather systems and storm tracking, maritime vessel tracking, live aircraft monitoring, public webcams from cities around the world, economic indicators, and financial signals, news aggregation feeds, humanitarian crisis monitoring, geopolitical and conflict-related information. The platform is designed to remain modular, allowing additional intelligence feeds to be integrated over time. Sentinel does not simply display information. Users can select specific events, areas, or categories of interest and forward them directly to the AI model for contextual analysis. Presence can then identify correlations between events, analyze possible causes, estimate potential consequences, evaluate geopolitical or economic impact, generate scenario-based reasoning, summarize rapidly evolving situations, maintain contextual continuity across monitoring sessions. This transforms Presence from a passive information interface into an active intelligence companion capable of assisting human interpretation in real time. Human-centered Intelligence Sentinel is designed for researchers, journalists, analysts, creators, investigators, emergency observers, advanced users, and anyone who needs a continuously updated understanding of global activity. The goal is not automated decision-making, the goal is clarity. In an age where information arrives faster than humans can meaningfully process it, Sentinel helps transform fragmented signals into coherent situational awareness, because the difference between information and